everyone, welcome to my channel Majors English Words. Today we are going to talk about one very interesting module in IELTS, which is IELTS Listening. I've seen many students when they are practicing IELTS, they start taking IELTS listening lightly, but it should never happen like this. Listening in IELTS can also become very critical for you sometimes, and even it can take your band scores in the final IELTS examination. So it's quite obvious that when we start to practice IELTS listening, we start putting question that what is the correct way or method to start practicing IELTS listening. I'm going to share 3 important steps for you guys that how you should start practicing IELTS listening. Number 1 is going to be reading the tape script. So what is tape script? You must have seen or you must have opened YouTube many times when you are listening any IELTS listening particularly, and you must have seen that there is a small icon in the bottom right side that is CC. CC means you are hitting that option and you are getting the script of that particular audio. So this is also given in every book of IELTS at the last, or maybe according to the publishing, but in Cambridge books it's always given in the last. So whatever listening is happening, or for example there are 4 listenings or 8 listenings in the entire book, the tape script of particular listening will be given at the last, in the ending part of that book. So you should always be reading the tape script to understand that how IELTS listening works, so that you can understand and you can find out the correct answers from that audio. Number 2 is going to be note taking. It's very important, and we might have already done in our school times or maybe in the college time when the lecture is happening in the classroom and we take down the notes, right? So similarly, when you are listening to an audio in IELTS, you should at an initial stage, you should start taking down those notes so that you can get to know that what is happening in an audio. And later on, when you listen to that particular audio again, things will become very easy for you and you will be able to find out the correct answers from that audio. The last important thing which you should start practicing in IELTS listening is going to be the regression method. But what is a regression method? It means that you are writing all the answers beforehand when you start hitting an audio, so that you can understand what the audio is about. And when you start to listen that audio again, you will be easily able to understand and find out the correct answer of that particular question. So in short, I would like to wrap it up by saying that the 3 tips that I've shared today in this episode, that are note taking, reading the tape script, and a regression method, are really going to be very helpful for you at an initial stage and even at the later stages when you are practicing IELTS listening. And the rest of the things and strategies we will definitely going to cover in the next episodes. Till then, stay connected and I'll see you later.